Welcome to Dubai, a city of marvels and the epitome of luxury. Standing as a beacon of innovation, the Burj Khalifa is not just the world's tallest building, but also a symbol of Dubai's sky-high ambitions. Next, step into the Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the world, a paradise for every shopper. Witness the architectural wonder of Palm Jumeirah, crowned by the magnificent Atlantis Hotel. Explore the Dubai Marina, a testament to Dubai's luxurious lifestyle, with its stunning waterfront and skyline. Experience the heart of old Dubai, with its vibrant souks and the historic Dubai Creek, where tradition meets charm. An adventure awaits in the desert with a thrilling safari, offering a glimpse into the Bedouin lifestyle. No visit to Dubai is complete without seeing the Burj Al Arab and enjoying the serene beaches. Dubai, a city that never fails to amaze, awaits your visit. Discover, explore, and be enchanted. Subscribe for more travel adventures.